Internal links. Internal links are links from one page on your website to another. Internal links can help improve your website's SEO by passing PageRank from one page to another. This can help improve the ranking of your pages in search engine results pages. There are a number of things you can do to improve your website's internal linking, including: use internal links in your navigation. Your website's navigation is a great place to add internal links. Make sure to include links to the most important pages in your navigation. Use internal links in your content. Internal links can also be used in your content. When you write about a related topic, link to a page on your website that covers that topic in more detail. Use internal links in your footer. Your website's footer is another great place to add internal links. Use internal links in your sidebar. Your website's sidebar is another great place to add internal links. Use internal links in your blog roll. Your blog roll is a list of other blogs that you follow. When you add a new blog to your blog roll, make sure to link to their website. Use internal links in your social media profiles. Your social media profiles are a great way to promote your website. By following these tips, you can improve your website's internal linking and improve your SEO. Here are some of the benefits of internal links. Increased traffic. Internal links can help increase traffic to your website. When users click on internal links, they are taken to other pages on your website. Improved ranking. Internal links can help improve your website's ranking in search engine results pages. Search engines use a number of factors to determine the ranking of websites. Increased engagement. Internal links can help increase engagement with your website content. When users click on internal links, they are taken to other pages on your website. Improved navigation. Internal links can help improve the navigation of your website. External links. External links are links from other websites to your website. External links can help improve your website's SEO by showing search engines that other websites trust your website. There are a number of things you can do to get external links to your website, including: create high-quality content. The best way to get external links is to create high-quality content that people will want to link to. Guest blog. Guest blogging is a great way to get exposure to new audiences and get links back to your website. When you guest blog, make sure to write high-quality content that is relevant to the blog's audience. Comment on other blogs. Commenting on other blogs is a great way to get exposure to new audiences and get links back to your website. Participate in social media. Social media is a great way to get exposure to new audiences and get links back to your website. Run a link building campaign. If you're serious about getting external links to your website, you may want to consider running a link building campaign. Here are some of the benefits of external links. Increased traffic. External links can help increase traffic to your website. When other websites link to your website, it sends a signal to search engines that your website is valuable and trustworthy. Improved ranking. External links can help improve your website's ranking in search engine results pages. Search engines use a number of factors to determine the ranking of websites in SERPs, and external links are one of the most important factors. Increased credibility. External links can help increase your website's credibility. When other websites link to your website, it shows that other people find your website valuable and trustworthy. This can help you build trust with potential customers and partners. Site speed. Site speed is an important factor in SEO because it affects the user experience. A slow-loading website will frustrate users and cause them to leave the site, which can negatively impact your search engine ranking. Google has stated that site speed is a ranking factor, and it is believed that faster websites are generally ranked higher in search results. There are a number of things that you can do to improve your website speed, including optimize your images. Images can be a major factor in slowing down your website. You can optimize your images by reducing their file size and using a content delivery network. Minify your code. Minifying your code can help to reduce the size of your web pages, which can improve their loading speed. Use a content delivery network, CDN. A CDN is a network of servers that can deliver your website's content from a server that is closer to your users. Avoid using too many plugins. Plugins can slow down your website. If you are not using a plugin, it is best to disable it. Use a caching plugin. A caching plugin can store a copy of your website's pages in the browser's cache. Test your website's speed. There are a number of tools that you can use to test your website's speed. Google provides a free tool called Page Speed Insights that can help you to identify areas where you can improve your website's speed. Mobile friendliness. Mobile friendliness is an important factor in SEO because it affects the user experience. More and more people are using their mobile devices to search the web, and a website that is not mobile friendly will not be able to provide a good user experience for these users. Google has stated that mobile friendliness is a ranking factor, and it is believed that mobile-friendly websites are generally ranked higher in search results. There are a number of things that you can do to make your website mobile-friendly, including user-responsive design. A responsive design is a design that adapts to the size of the screen it is being viewed on. Optimize your images. Images can be a major factor in slowing down your website. You can optimize your images by reducing their file size and using a content delivery network, CDN. Minify your code. Minifying your code can help to reduce the size of your web pages, which can improve their loading speed. Use a content delivery network, CDN. A CDN is a network of servers that can deliver your website's content from a server that is closer to your users. Test your website's mobile friendliness. There are a number of tools that you can use to test your website's mobile friendliness. Content quality. Content quality is an important factor in SEO because it affects the user experience. A well-written, informative, and relevant content will keep users on your website longer, which will tell search engines that your website is valuable. There are a number of things you can do to improve the quality of your content, including research your topic. Make sure you understand the topic you are writing about. Write in a clear and concise style. Use simple language and avoid jargon. This will make your content easier to understand for a wider audience. Use visuals. Images, videos, and infographics can help break up your content and make it more visually appealing. Proofread your work. Before you publish your content, make sure to proofread it for errors. This will help ensure that your content is professional and error-free. Here are some of the characteristics of high-quality content. Accuracy. The information in the content should be accurate and up-to-date. Completeness. The content should be comprehensive and cover all aspects of the topic. Relevance. The content should be relevant to the target audience and their interests. Originality. The content should be original and not plagiarized from other sources. Clarity. The content should be easy to understand and follow. Conciseness. The content should be concise and to the point. Engagement. The content should be engaging and interesting to read. Usefulness. The content should be useful and provide value to the reader. Technical SEO. Technical SEO refers to the optimization of a website's technical aspects to improve its ranking in search engine results pages. Technical SEO is important because it ensures that search engines can crawl and index your website's pages properly, which is a prerequisite for ranking well in search results. There are a number of factors that can affect a website's technical SEO, including URL structure. The URL structure of your website should be easy for search engines to crawl and index. Robots.txt file. The robots.txt file tells search engines which pages on your website should not be crawled or indexed. You should only block pages that you do not want to be indexed, such as pages for members only or pages that are under construction. Sitemap. A sitemap is a file that tells search engines about all of the pages on your website. You can submit your sitemap to Google Search Console to help Google find and index your pages. Content quality. Search engines prefer to index high-quality content. Technical SEO. There are a number of technical factors that can affect indexability, such as page loading speed, mobile friendliness, and duplicate content.